6 optical illusions that will make you think twice. Number 1. The Muller-Lyer illusion. The Muller-Lyer illusion is one of the most famous optical illusions in the world. It involves two lines of the same length, but with different arrowheads at the end. One line has outward-facing arrowheads, and the other line has inward-facing arrowheads. The line with the outward-facing arrowheads appears to be longer. This illusion is caused by the way our brains perceive depth. The outward-facing arrowheads make the line appear to recede into the background, while the inward-facing arrowheads make the line appear to come forward. As a result, the line with the outward-facing arrowheads appears to be longer. Number 2. The Ponzo illusion. The Ponzo illusion is another famous optical illusion. It involves two lines of the same length, but placed between two converging lines. The line that is closer to the converging lines appears to be shorter. This illusion is also caused by the way our brains perceive depth. The converging lines make the background appear to recede into the distance, which makes the line that is closer to the converging lines appear to be shorter. Number 3. The Ebbinghaus illusion. The Ebbinghaus illusion is a simple optical illusion that involves two circles of the same size. One circle is surrounded by smaller circles, and the other circle is surrounded by larger circles. The circle that is surrounded by smaller circles appears to be larger than the circle that is surrounded by larger circles. This illusion is caused by the way our brains perceive relative size. We perceive the size of an object based on the size of the objects around it. The smaller circles make the central circle appear to be larger, while the larger circles make the central circle appear to be smaller. Number 4. 7. The Kanizsa triangle. The Kanizsa triangle is a Gestalt optical illusion. It involves a white triangle that appears to be floating in the middle of a black background. But there is no actual triangle in the image. The triangle is created by the way our brains interpret the black shapes on the background. This illusion is caused by the way our brains perceive closure. Our brains have a tendency to fill in gaps in images. In the case of the Kanizsa triangle, our brains fill in the gap between the black shapes to create the illusion of a white triangle. Number 5. The impossible trident. The impossible trident is a geometric optical illusion. It involves a three-pronged trident that appears to be impossible to construct. The prongs of the trident appear to be going in different directions, but they are all actually connected at the base. This illusion is caused by the way our brains process depth. The trident is drawn in a way that makes it difficult for our brains to perceive the correct depth relationships between the different parts of the trident. As a result, the trident appears to be impossible to construct. Number 6. Lilac chaser illusion. The lilac chaser illusion is a color optical illusion. It involves a moving green dot surrounded by a field of lilac dots. If you focus on the green dot, the lilac dots will appear to be moving towards it. But if you focus on the lilac dots, the green dot will appear to be moving away from them. This illusion is caused by the way our brains process color. The green dot is a complementary color to the lilac dots, which means that they enhance each other's visibility. When you focus on the green dot, the lilac dots appear to be moving towards it because they are becoming more visible. When you focus on the lilac dots, the green dot appears to be moving away from them because it is becoming less visible.